Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send your TonCoin from OKX to your Tonkeeper account. First of all, you need to open your Tonkeeper, then you need to select TonCoin, click Receive, and copy the wallet address. Now we need to open OKX, then we need to click Assets on bottom right menu, click Withdraw, click Withdraw Crypto. In the search, we need to type TonCoin or just select TonCoin from the list, click on chain, paste the wallet address we just copied from Tonkeeper, select the network, so it's Ton network. It's not required to enter the comment because we have got an exclusive wallet from Tonkeeper. You need to select the withdrawal amount, which is minimum 0.02. and choose the withdrawal account where you have your TonCoin balance. If you have it on trading, you need to select trading, or if you have it on funding account, you need to select funding. Then if everything is correct, you need to click the submit button on the bottom and you will send your TonCoin to your Tonkeeper account. In maximum 5 minutes, you can open your Tonkeeper app and you can refresh the page. Here will be your TonCoin balance. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.